He was in full force. He was producing stuff, in the meters zone with cast copper and bronze.
Yeah.
And I reckon he represents...
I'd say he started in the late 20s, actually.
Well, he did start. He started, he was born in 1904 or something.
Yeah. It's easier to connect the last statement, that sheep or cows in a field, as background perhaps for sculpture.
Yeah.
Moore also began a dialogue with nature herself, for he labelled another compartment wide expanse of sky, and yet another sheep or cows in a field as background perhaps for sculpture. With the hindsight, it's easier to connect the last statement with Moore's sculptures from the 1970s, one of which he named Sheep Piece.
Sheep Piece? Wow, wonder why. So even Henry Moore was affected by all the hype and all the hysteria and all the drugs and illusions and illusionary works. Sheep Piece.
Sheep Piece.
Gee, that's like Atom Head Mother. Atom Head Nuclear.
Here's Atom Piece. I've got
Sorry?
Atom Piece here.
Atom Piece.
Atom Piece.
So that was something.
But that
Atom
won't show.
Piece.
That won't show, will it?
How was peace spelled?
How's that?
Was it spelled P-A-A-C-E?
P. Began with a P.
Started with a P. That's okay.
P-I-E-C-E.
Oh, right. I wonder if he called it P-E-A-C-E.
But he didn't, did he? He's got another one, Locking Piece.
Locking Piece.
He was into pieces, I'd say.
He was into pieces.
Sheep Piece, Atom Piece.
Well,